How to make homemade rat bait for traps. Pests pose many kinds of problems in the garden and home. One pest that has caused more problems than almost any other in the history of mankind is rats. These rodents carry disease and parasites that can and will attack human beings. Rats themselves have also been known to directly attack humans as well as the homes that humans have constructed. They can compromise the structure of the home and even chew through wiring, posing a fire hazard. One of the most effective ways to rid your home of these dangerous pests is with traps. The problem is baiting the traps. Industrial baits can be expensive. Here you will learn how to create your own homemade bait. Things you will need: 8 ounces block of cream cheese, 1 cup of canned corn, 1 cup of uncooked oatmeal, 1 cup of peanut butter. Mix 4 ounces of cream cheese and ½ cup of canned corn by hand and set it aside. Mix ½ cup of peanut butter and ½ cup of oatmeal by hand and set aside. Mix 4 ounces of cream cheese and ½ cup of oatmeal by hand and set aside. Mix ½ cup of peanut butter and ½ cup of canned corn by hand and set aside. Roll ½ teaspoon of each bait between your hands to form a ball. Repeat until all of your bait is formed. Keep each in its own container in the refrigerator until ready to use. Bait your traps with different kinds of bait. Rats are very intelligent creatures, so switch types of bait on each trap every couple of days. Tips: warnings. Rats are dangerous wild animals. Use caution and wear thick leather gloves when approaching any animal in a trap.